Making new friends is challenging, and who you choose to let into your inner circle is very important. So in today's video, I'm going to go over 5 things to look for when making a new friend. So, let's get into it! Number 1, someone who supports you through the tough times. How many of you have made a new friend and then you go into a time of struggle and you reach out to them and they're nowhere to be found, or they don't want to talk about it, or they kind of blow you off? These are not real, true friends. If they only want to be around you during the happy, positive times, they're very superficial and you should definitely stay clear of them. Number 2, they support your goals. Your friends should be your biggest supporters, cheerleaders, and motivators, believing in you and what you want to do with your life. If a new friend only tells you why it's not possible, or that it's unrealistic, or they make fun of you, this usually stems from things like jealousy, envy, low self-esteem, low self-belief, and these really aren't qualities you want in a new friend. Number 3, they accept you for who you are. Never be friends with someone who tries to change you, who tries to make you more like them or what they consider to be cool. What's so beautiful about you is you have your own personality. You have all these awesome traits that make you who you are, and you need to surround yourself with people who love you for that. Number 4, they check in on you. A real friend doesn't just hit you up when they want to go to an event or when they want to party. They'll check in on you. They'll see how you're doing. They'll see how things are going in your life. This shows that they truly care about you and they truly care about your well-being. Number 5, and probably the most important one, you trust them. You can talk to them about things that are very personal to you that you don't share with a lot of people. You know they'll always have your back and when step in front of a bullet for you. Trusting someone takes time, but there's nothing more valuable than a friend that you can trust. Alright gang, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed this content, smash the like button. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. And I will see all y'all in the next video. Much love guys. Take care.